Here's a little walk around video. Today we do have this lovely Range Rover Sport Autobiography on a 20 registration. There's quite a bit of specification on this car, which I'll go through throughout this video. You do of course get the matrix headlights as standard. It does have all your black design exterior accents. It is finished in the lovely Yulong White, so it is a metallic rather than the solid white that you get on Range Rovers. It does have the upgraded 22-inch 9 split spoke alloys in gloss black. You've got your fixed side steps, rear privacy glass, and if you come around to the rear you can see the black accents continue with your tailgate finisher and your rear bumper. Moving on into the rear, as this is the Autobiography, you do get the Meridian surround sound. It's finished with the full ebony Windsor leather. Previous owner has fitted rear seat entertainment, and it does come with the 4-zone climate control with your heated outer rear seats. It does of course have the sliding panoramic sunroof, and you do have the ebony suede cloth headlining. Taking a look inside the front, you do get the memory function to both the driver and the passenger. Of course you do get the heated steering wheel. As this is the Autobiography, you do get adaptive cruise control as standard, and the lovely interactive driver's display. As you can see, this car's done just under 75,000 miles from new. It does come with a head-up display as well. You do of course have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto through there with your satellite navigation, rear view camera, etc. Heated and cooled front seats, and you do have a drinks cooler in the front as well. Overall though, just a stunning example Autobiography. If you've got any more questions on this car, please do contact us on 01423 33 11 33. Thank you.